Hi, this is Rod with Rod Inspects, and we're on a vacant house in San Antonio, Texas today, and just kind of wanted to show you a little thing I found with the garbage disposal. It's pretty obvious, and you probably see these on your walkthroughs, but if you look underneath here, but I'll show you this garbage disposal is cracked and has been leaking underneath the sink, and it leaks as we're running water down it as well. Again, pretty obvious find, but just another reason to have a quality, thorough inspection with Rod Inspects. Let's check it out. You can see there that we got a big crack in here, and then it's leaking. We didn't run the water much down this because we didn't want to get the cabinets all wet down here, but she's definitely leaking from that crack, and that will require replacement of the garbage disposal, and you should be good to go. Thank you very much.